So, artificial intelligence. It's a term you hear thrown around all the time, right? But what does it actually mean? I'll give you a hint. It's not just in sci-fi movies anymore. It's in your pocket, it's in your car, and it's even in your doctor's office. So today, we're going to cut through all the hype and show you exactly how AI is already changing your world.
Yeah, you can just forget about thinking of AI as some far-off futuristic thing. The key thing to get your head around is that the future has already landed. These changes are happening right now, and believe me, the speed of that change is picking up every single day.
Okay, so we're all hearing AI this and AI that, but what are we actually talking about here? Let's pull back the curtain for a second and really figure out what's going on inside the machine mind.
So when you strip it all down, AI is really about one thing: teaching machines to think. And I don't just mean calculate things really fast. I mean teaching them to learn, to spot patterns, and to make decisions. Imagine trying to teach a computer the difference between a cat and a dog. Instead of writing a bunch of rules, you just show it thousands of pictures until it just gets it on its own. That's the magic of AI in a nutshell.
Okay, so how does this whole thing actually work? Well, you can kind of think of it like a three-step dance. First, it learns by just gobbling up massive amounts of data. I mean, picture it reading an entire library in just a few seconds. Then, step 2, it gets better with practice. The more it does something, the smarter it gets. And the result? A system that can solve problems way faster than we can and see patterns that a human brain might just miss. All right, so now we have an idea of what it is, but where do you actually find it? And the answer might surprise you. It's not hiding in some high-tech lab. It's literally in your pocket and out there on your street. Seriously, just think about your day for a second. That phone of yours that unlocks with just a glance? Yep, that's AI recognizing your face. Your GPS magically finding a faster route to get you around a traffic jam? That's AI predicting how traffic is going to flow. And what about those amazing apps that can translate a language in real time? That is all AI, just quietly working in the background of our lives.
And look, this goes way, way beyond just our personal gadgets. AI is completely reshaping entire industries. It's changing how we work, how we create, even how we stay healthy.
And this is where things get really, really wild. In healthcare, we're talking about AI that can look at a medical scan and spot the early signs of a disease that a human eye might completely miss. In finance, it's predicting market trends to help businesses make smarter decisions. It's even stepping into the world of art, creating brand new music and images that are pushing the absolute boundaries of creativity. Okay, so when you see how powerful and widespread this tech is becoming, it kind of forces you to step back and think about the bigger picture, right? What does all of this really mean for us, for humanity, as we head into the future? But let's be real. This incredible progress also brings up some really tough questions. I mean, with AI learning so much about us, what happens to our privacy? And as these machines get smarter and smarter, what's that going to mean for human jobs? These are absolutely critical challenges that we have to figure out. But here's the thing. The main way people are starting to look at this isn't through a lens of fear. It's all about empowerment. The core idea here isn't that AI is coming to replace us. It's that it's here to be a tool, and maybe the most powerful tool we've ever built, to just amplify our own abilities.
And that right there is the crucial shift in how we need to think about this. Don't see AI as a competitor. See it as a collaborator. Let it handle the mind-numbing number crunching and the repetitive tasks. That frees us up to focus on the things we humans do best. Creativity, big picture strategy, and actually connecting with each other. It doesn't replace our skills, it makes them better.
So at the end of the day, AI isn't coming, it's already here. It's shaping the world of tomorrow, right now. The real question this whole thing leaves us with is a pretty personal one. This technology is going to define the next generation, so it's worth asking yourself, how is it going to define you?